Hala, sharing to you Hada Labo Gokujyun Premium Lotion in 170 ml. Helps the skin to stay moisturized and radiant all day. This powerhouse lotion contains no fragrances, mineral oils, alcohols, and colorants, making it safe and ultra gentle for all skin types. With 5 types of hyaluronic acids: common, super, nanoscale, cationic, and 3D. Perfect for tired, stressed, dehydrated, or sun-damaged skin. A defense against free radical attacks and pollutants in our skin. How to use, apply, and to clear dry skin on face and neck. Use daily in the mornings or whenever you feel your skin is tight and parched. You can also apply this on your neck, but I apply this only on my face. I super love this Hada Labo Gokujyun Premium Lotion because you can save cotton, because you can apply it directly on your skin without cotton. So rest assured, there's nothing this luxurious lotion can't help when it comes to providing long-lasting hydration, keeping skin calm and content.